General risk disclosure. Trading financial instruments, including forex, futures, equities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, involves significant risk of loss. Trading is not suitable for all investors, as it may result in the loss of your entire investment. Leverage, volatility, and liquidity risks are inherent in these markets. Before engaging in trading, carefully consider your financial situation, experience level, and risk tolerance. You should only invest money you can afford to lose. Forex and futures disclaimer. Trading in the forex and futures markets is highly speculative and carries a substantial risk of loss. The leverage nature of these instruments amplifies gains and losses, potentially leading to substantial financial exposure. This content complies with CFTC Rule 4.41. CFTC Rule 4.41 disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain inherent limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Equities and commodities disclaimer. Equity and commodity trading involves risks associated with market volatility, company-specific factors, and geopolitical events. While stocks and commodities may have a lower leverage factor compared to forex or futures, they can still result in substantial financial losses. Cryptocurrency disclaimer. Cryptocurrencies are speculative and highly volatile instruments. Trading cryptocurrencies involves additional risks, including regulatory uncertainties, security vulnerabilities, and lack of liquidity. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated by most governments or central banks, and their value may be affected by external factors such as news events and market sentiment. Regulatory references. In the United States, this content adheres to the regulatory standards of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, National Futures Association, and Securities and Exchange Commission. In the European Union, trading practices comply with the European Securities and Markets Authority standards. Global compliance, content aligns with internationally accepted guidelines, but laws vary by jurisdiction. Consult with a licensed professional in your area. Past performance disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any historical results or performance shown in this content are for informational purposes only and do not guarantee future performance. Educational content disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice, nor should it be construed as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any financial instrument. Always consult with a licensed financial advisor or regulatory authority in your jurisdiction before engaging in trading activities.
All right, cool. So we just did that. It's a new week. This is week 2. It's Nas100. When is this week over? 9/12. Okay. What do I think this weekly chart is going to do? Well, this is definitely an accumulation market profile. This is not. We didn't close above this. This looks like a run on liquidity. Let's just look at this. Nobody's here, which is a good sign. So push up. Boom. We got any gaps? Looks like we got a small gap here. It's just no down candles right there. And then we got liquidity here. And we got liquidity here. What's the color I'm not using? Green. Let's do that. Just picking colors. I think this was this green. Okay. We consolidate around here. We're here in accumulation. So this is the only play we got. This is let's do this. Let's do 25.75. Ooh, that was ugly. Let's try to do this like this then. So sales above, buys below. It's accumulation market profile. Candle buys, no buys. Candle shape. I don't know. We'll come back. We'll look at this later because I want to see more. Let me get the commitment of traders. Let's grab this too. Euro. Here we go. Nasdaq. Nas100 PM. All right, then we'll throw this in to Larry Williams, GTP. Boom. Okay, let's see. All right, this is Nas100. See if it does what it's supposed to do. I don't know what it's doing. Okay. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. Net short overall total. Non-commercials are bullish. Commercials are short. Net positions. Non-reportables. What's this? So sentiment remains bearish even when ignoring non-reportables. Commercials heavily shortened while speculator buy indicates reversal of top of behavior. Okay. September alpha shows weakness in indices like Nasdaq. Bearish commercial stance, bullish retail fund. September seasonalities. September could be the ideal entry month for a short setup, especially if technical short divergence. Yeah. Okay, let's do this. Oh, and then I'll put a link for just paste. Yeah, I'll put a link for this GTP on here too, because you'll be able to see this on this thing, because you can go to this website. It's on the Telegram. I think it's on the link tree too. So you'll be able to click this link and pull up this right here. Let me try to embed this to make it look nice. Let's delete, then do this, or then do this. Boom. Why does it look like this? Caption. Nah. Oh, I know what I can do. I can go like this. Then I could just put Larry Williams. Is it GTP or GPT? GPT. GPT. And then do this. Create a link. Add link. Bam. And then put this link to web page. Man, don't try me. Alright. Put the Larry Williams GTP. Link. Larry Williams GPT to weak pages. Alright, cool. Alright, boom, that's done. So that's NASDAQ. Let's do silver or silver XMG. This should be like a hidden. It should. Let's go back here. Metals. Palladium. Here we go. And put this here. How is this spelled wrong when it's a copy and paste? Oh, okay. Technicals is a word. Y'all gonna have to learn. Okay, this is silver. Net short. I'm bullish on silver. Bears. Who's okay? The dealers, the merchants. They're just hedging. Yeah, everybody else is buying. Heavy commercial bearishness. Short net bias. When commercial hedges like producers aggressively short non-commercials, it's a setup for reversal, not continuation. Bearish or neutral. Okay, this is good because I want to buy. So September's a neutral week month for silver. Okay. Okay, look, I don't know why this thing got okay. That's cool. Then no, remove. Hit Control Z. Bam, there we go. Now Euro. I should just be able to look at CME Euro. I've been looking at dollar. Nah, I'm gonna look at dollar. Dollar works with I hit the wrong button. Shall I look at euro or dollar? No, I want to look at euro. I can look at dollar next week. This short-term rate. Euro FX. Yeah, I always look at dollar. This looks like it got more information on it anyway. Like they hiding the information for the dollar. I wouldn't be surprised. All right. Okay. Why is it printing out like this? Okay, boom, boom, boom. Non-commercials are long. Non-reportables commercials are short. Yeah, everything is saying reversal on everything. So everything I'm trading is bullish. Yeah, Nasdaq is still bullish. It's undefeated. Dollar's bearish, so silver and EU is bullish. Okay, but everything is pullback, which lines up with September logic. Okay, so that's caught. Bam. Let's go Fed watch. Whoa. Okay. All right. 100% rate cut. All right. 100% rate cut. Upcoming earnings, yeah, because I don't have no earning whisper link. They want to charge you for that thing too. It's so weird. Unusual wills. Look how this is popping up. So all the good stuff should be at the top. Neo, uh, CRM, Salesforce. This ain't this week. This is another week. This is go to current. Okay, this okay. All right, I'm understanding this page. So is this link for that? No, it's just how the website pops up. So Adobe, VO, nothing here. Oracle, nothing here. Adobe. I still like the way earnings whispers look better. It looks better. But as far as just workflow, this will do. I don't see any top 10 companies anyway. That was a weird way to take a screenshot. We gotta do the first 3 rows. Let me just make sure there ain't no tight ones at the bottom. Mm-mm. I don't really care about 10 companies. Okay, if I hit enter, what happens? Perfect. All right, no top 10. No top 10 companies reporting earnings this week. Let's go here. Okay, here. Bear sentiment is winning. Okay. Earnings, sentiment. Let's go here. Wow, you know what? Me doing this like this, it does make my like my weekly forecast like kind of easy. So I probably could have kept it on one because now it's like, what do I think for this week? I done reviewed everything. Let's do one here, and then that way I can have a fast layout. Just bing, bing, bing. 3 tabs, 3 markets, 3 layouts. Uh, Actively trading Nasdaq, and I only swing in these just because of where we at in the world. Economic calendar right here. I still need it the regular way. Get me a Forex factory. I like the way it looks. I bet I can embed that too. Like the week. People making Discord bots with it. I gotta be able to embed it some type of way. Put Euro on there too. Uh, they did a good job of this thing. So PPI Wednesday, CPI Thursday. Mm, I'm kind of thinking CPI is the day. Let's look at the weekly. Then let's look at the weekly here. Then let's look at the weekly here. Running lows do make sense. Let's look at the monthly here. This month just started. We're starting to push though. I think we'll go bullish, but be aware. Yeah, don't push too hard for September. Yeah, I want to sell, but it's like I want to just go here for all my drawn liquidities. Low, low, low. This is a weekly candle. This is a weekly candle. This is a weekly candle. So previous week's low, be my trial liquidity. TOL. Yeah. Copy the link. Previous week's low is my DOL for the week. Let's go here. And previous week's low is also this monthly open. DOL. Okay, what's this? XAG, time frame, weekly. It's the weekly. This chart link. Okay, I already did the chart link. Boom. Yeah. Okay. Previous week's low is my DOL for this week for silver. Yeah, and then also for EU. People probably like, why you think so long for it? But it's just me thinking. This is where I want to buy. Or actually trade to. If we get up and run highs, I'll feel even more better because we really could push this week and then drop next week too, because next week is spot with you. EU weekly. I think the key thing this week will be if we reaccumulate under previous week's low or create a breakaway gap or a bag and go lower. Confidence is 50-50. Considering last week was major accumulation. So previous week's high and low. Previous week's high and low could set us up for a monthly swing or options play. Yeah, that's typing fast. 4. Okay, boom, boom, boom. Straight. Yeah. I think that's it, really. Yeah. Because we really ain't got no earnings. We got Trump this week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Or it's really Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Thursday could be that day. think days I'm interested in. I think Wednesday, Thursday, because of PPI and CPI. PPI and CPI. Not Tuesday. High impact news. Wednesday, Thursday, high impact news. Monitor for anchor points. Low hanging fruit. Yeah. Just go for base hits this week. I want 2%. We can do might do end up. Just depends on the day. We'll see. All right. That's pretty much done. Got my plan days. I'm gonna let Monday play out. And then my review. And then I can kind of keep organizing this workflow to get this going and just do a better job of tracking the elements of the business. All right, y'all. Y'all have a good day. Peace.